Have you ever felt nervous about speaking English because you were afraid of making mistakes? Well, let me tell you something powerful. Mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are learning. Think about it. How did you learn your first language? You made mistakes as a child, right? You said the wrong words, mixed up grammar, and sometimes even invented your own words. But no one laughed at you for that. Instead, you got better with practice. Learning English works the same way. Every time you make a mistake, you are discovering what works and what doesn't. It's not a setback, it's a stepping stone. For example, maybe you said, she go to school yesterday, instead of, she went to school yesterday. That's okay. That mistake teaches you about past tense. Or maybe you pronounced a word differently. Guess what? Now you know the right way. The truth is, the only people who don't make mistakes are the people who don't try. So if you are making mistakes in English, it means you are trying. And if you are trying, you are already winning. So next time you speak English, don't hold back. Be brave. Be willing to make mistakes, because every mistake is pushing you closer to fluency. Remember this. Perfect English doesn't make you confident. Practice does. And practice means mistakes. Keep going. Your English is improving every single day.